Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. Today we're doing the giveaway drawing for the Santa Baby paper collections. It's not a full paper collection, but I have two semi sets of collections and there'll be two winners. So I will link the video where I did the walkthrough of the Glassine Bag Santa Baby album. I'll link it right here if you want to check it out. And how you were entered into this giveaway was A, you have to be a subscriber, and B, you had to leave a comment below that video, and that's it. That was it. By the way, I also did when I made this album on video, I of course did it in videos, like individual videos, and then I took all of those individual videos and made a full-length video, which it turns out you guys really enjoy that a lot. So I'll link that video up here. It is a very long video, but I cut out a lot of thanks for joining me, or hi, my name is Jennifer. I cut out a lot of stuff that was just chatty stuff. But of course the playlist with the original version is still available, and I'll link that up here as well. So there's so many options. So anyway, you all really got a kick out of that, so I'm gonna have to do that again. That was cool. So anyway, okay, so I already forgot what I was saying. I have labeled these one A and B. And A has the, what does it have? A has the full set of, no it doesn't. It has, no it doesn't. I just lied to you. It has the 4x6 pad. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 packs of flowers, say it in crystals, and a pack of embellishments. So we're going to draw for A first, and then B has, let's see, a random selection of 4x6 cards. It also has remember when we did this a long time ago where we would make acetate tags and we would wrap the washi tape around them and share? And so it has, this is the one that has some of that in there. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flowers. There are stickers. There is say it in crystals. And there is a pack of untouched and embellishments. So two winners, A and a B. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw for A first. I'm going to leave that sitting there for the glare. I have picked I have pulled in the, an ad, into the YouTube random comment picker. I have pulled in the URL to that video, and I've gotten the comments already. Oh, no, I'm going to do it again. And I am going to hit start. So if it cuts out, like if the next thing you see, if it just comes to this again, it's because the person was not a subscriber. I do check, so I let it pick your name, and then I check to make sure you're a subscriber. Okay, let's hit start. All right. Okay, congratulations to @RobinGalehouse7618. Says absolutely beautiful collection. Got the template 6 years ago and followed both videos back then. Stunning creativity from you. Oh, thank you. Well, congratulations. I'm assuming your name is Robin. There is an email down below in the description box that is just for giveaway winners, and you need to contact me, and I will have a date that you need to contact me by, but since it's almost Christmas, oh shoot, I'll have a date in the description box, and the first pinned comment will be all that information as well. I don't want to get out of this and look at my calendar, but yeah, you'll have just a handful of days to contact me to claim your winnings. Okay, so that is the first winner. So that is the winner of A, not the album, but the A collection. And then the B is, let's see, let's pick another winner. Pick another winner. Okay. Ready? Okay, congratulations to @Amy4000S Mom. I'm not sure if that's correct, but it says, I love your video sharing down memory lane. I remember making these albums along with you. The Santa Baby paper collection is so pretty. Oh, whoops. It wouldn't let me read the whole comment, but that's okay. Congratulations to you as well. You are getting the set that's labeled B, and it sounds to me like you made this along with me, so you will be adding to your collection. So congratulations to both winners. Check out the description box below to make sure when you need to contact me by, and there's an email down there. I take no other communications through that email, so I'm just letting you know if you too try to contact me through that email that if you're not a winner, I probably won't respond. But yeah, thank you so much, you guys, for participating, for watching the video, for hanging out with me, all the things, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.